Hello everyone, welcome to Quick WordPress website. In this video, we are going to demonstrate Flatsome, multi-purpose responsive WooCommerce theme, its installation, demo import and create a preferred website, editing header, footer, menus and editing each page using UX Builder. UX Builder, that's a Flatsome default front-end editor. Let's dive into the video. One quick note before we start. To get your site alive, you will need a domain, hosting and WordPress installed. If you haven't picked up your hosting yet, I highly recommend Hostinger. If you use our referral link in the description, you will get extra 20% off, bringing your cost down just less than $1.56 per month. It's a total steal for getting your business online. Now let's get into the dashboard. If you purchase Flatsome theme, please unzip the folder. Once you unzip, you will get Flatsome main. Open that folder. There are several files available. Click this theme files. In the theme files, we can see Flatsome main theme and the Flatsome child. The Flatsome main theme is around 6.5 MB. You have to upload this theme, not the whole zip file. You have to upload only the main theme file. Okay, once you install WordPress, go to the dashboard. Click Appearance, then click Themes. Here click Add Theme and click Upload Theme. Here choose File. Now locate the Flatsome theme files and upload the Flatsome theme. It's around 6.5 MB. Let's click Open. Click Install now. It will take a couple of minutes, depends on your hosting and the internet speed. Now click Activate. Okay, now the theme is activated. So this is the process of importing demo data. First you have to register, then install the child theme, then plugins, then content. So let's click Let's Go. If you purchase original version, you have to copy paste the Envato purchase code here and you have to register. So let's click Continue. Now it will ask to install the child theme. You can skip this step or else you can create and use the child theme. The purpose of installing child theme is if you want to edit the theme in the code level, you can use the child theme. Otherwise, no need to worry about this. Anyway, let's create and use the child theme, then click Continue. Okay, here it will ask you to install the default plugins like Contact Form 7, Next and Social Login, WooCommerce with WooCommerce Wishlist. So once you click Continue, it will automatically install and activate those plugins. So let's click Continue. Okay, after that, it will ask you to import the demo content. So these are the demo contents. By default, all the demo contents have been selected, so no need to do anything. Just click Continue. So it will automatically import the demo data. Okay, now if you want to upload your new logo, you can click here and you can upload the new logo, or else you can do it in later part of the editing process. So here you can see there are presets, that is demo sites of the Flatsome available. You can see here. So you can select your preferred demo site and you can import. This is the default one. If you want others, you can import others as well. Okay, let's try this one. Click this one and click Continue. Now it will import all the demo data. Before that, it will ask some question. Click Agree and Continue. Okay, now you can see your website is ready. So let's open the website and see. Click View your new website. Wow, you can see all the demo content have been imported. And keep in mind the images in the demo sites are copyrighted, so those images will not appear. So you have to replace them with your own images. So let's go down. You can see a news item image is also not appearing. And once you go to the shop, you can see the shop items are appearing here. There's also an image is not appearing, is they are copyrighted, so you can replace with your own products. So once you look at here, it shows just the menu item first, demos, then shop, then pages, like that it appearing. So let's see how to edit these menu items. Okay, for that, go to the dashboard and go to Appearance and click Menus. So in the menu, you have to select the main menu. It's already selected by default. Here you can see there are so many menu items available, so you have to select your preferred one. So we have selected Big Sale as the front page. You can see this is the front page, so you can drag and drop the front page in the top. So you can keep here and you can delete unnecessary other demos. So like click the drop down menu and remove. Like that you can delete all other unnecessary sub menus. So one by one I am removing all the unnecessary menu items. Okay, I have removed the unnecessary submenu items. So Big Sale, this is the front page and the home page and the business demos. And here you can see the shop page is here. So you can drag the shop page on the top. So you can keep the shop page. And here you can see some other pages like portfolio, about, contact, our stories. So those pages, if you need any pages, you can keep them. So I want this about page. So I drag this one on the top, about page. And also I need this contact page, so I drag and drop here. And also I need a blog page. So post page, I can drag and drop here. So before contact, I can put this one. So and if you don't need other this business demos and other pages, you can remove them. If you remove some page accidentally and if you want to reinstall them, so you can go to this add menu item. You can see pages here. You can view pages. Here you can add any page. Like if you want to add the cart, you can select that one and you can select add to menu. So it will automatically add it on the menu like this. So you can remove or add unnecessary pages. So let's click save menu. Okay, now let's open the page and see. Wow, you can see the unnecessary pages are removed. Only big sale, shop, about, blog, and contact are appearing. If you don't want these items, the advertisement also you can remove. Normally, this home page is named as the home page. So this named as the big sale. So let's rename it. So go here and click. You can rename it as the home and click save menu. And if you don't want these elements, you can remove. I just make them as a sub menus. Let's come back and refresh. You can see the menus items are nicely arranged here. So sometimes the home page may not appear. In that scenario, you have to go dashboard and go to the settings and here click reading. In the reading, you can see your home page displays a static page. The home page is big sale. The big sale is the one we have selected, so that is there. So if you don't have your preferred one, you can select here as well. Okay, now you can see, let's open the shop page. You can see the shop contents are appearing like this. So if you want to edit this header and footer area, let's come back, click this Flatsome and click this theme options. So in the theme option, you can click this header. Here you can edit the presets, logo and site identity, top bar, header main, so those kind of things you can easily edit. And similarly for footer, you can click here and you can edit the footer details and footer credits, those kind of things you can easily edit. You can see the copyright is here, so you can remove this copyright and you can put your copyrighted detail and those kind of things you can do here, and other layouts, those kind of things you can do. So let's see how to edit the pages. So let's edit the home page. So let's open. Here you can see on the top it says edit page. So once you hover around, it's asking you edit with UX Builder. The UX Builder is the default builder of Flatsome. It's very easy to edit. So let's click edit with UX Builder. Now it's on the left side, it displays the items available in the front page. So once you click this, it's easily editable. So you can click here. You can see the sale. If you want to edit the sale, you can edit the sale here, or else once you double click, it will automatically appear here. Here also you can edit. So like that you can edit. You can edit these things. So that kind of thing also you can do here. So visually you can easily edit. Let's go down. Similarly, you can edit these items. Once you double click, shop menu text you can edit here. Like that, each item you can edit. Similarly, is about us layout. So this layout without background image. So once you click here, it's already blank image is there. So change image, you can click here, select file. So here you can upload any file for the background image. Like that, you can edit each item. In this area also you can edit. Double click it, it will automatically appear. Here you can edit the contents. Right, let's see how to edit or add your products. For that, again go back to the dashboard, click products, click all products. Here you can see the default demo products are available without images. Here you can edit already available products, or else you can add new product. Here you can see you can add new product, or else you can import any other product you have. So once you click this one, edit with UX Builder, you can edit the product. You can change the name and give your product's name, and you can edit this image and you can add elements. So those kind of things you can do. And also if you want to edit the blog post, again go to the post, click all posts, and here you can, this is a hello world is the default post, so you can delete that one, and you can edit other demo posts. If you want to add a new post, you can click add post and you can edit. So there are separate video on my playlist how to add post. You can watch that video. This is the simple explanation of installation of Flatsome theme and demo import and editing the contents. So if you want more tutorial regarding this, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries, please leave in the comment section. Thank you.